Today, some new testimony in the Scott Brooks murder trial revealed how investigators say they tied the murder to defendants Stephen Staples and Terry Connor. WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre is joining us live right now from outside the Mecklenburg County Courthouse, where trial is now on its 17th day. But some new revelations here. Jesse, what did we learn?
Well, investigators walked jurors through several search warrants conducted, including of the home of, they say, Stephen Staples shared with his wife, as well as several homes associated with Terry Connor. They also shared how technology helped point detectives to the two defendants. Now, let's jump into some video from the court today. Detective Blair Fitch with CMPD, who processed the interior of the Brooks sandwich house, told jurors the business showed no signs of a break-in or robbery, and more than $3,000 was still inside. Scott Brooks was shot and killed outside of the restaurant in the early morning hours of December 9th of 2019. Now, with no eyewitnesses, investigators say they relied on cell tower data that led them to a woman identified as the mother of Terry Connor's child. Her DNA was also found on a bullet casing at the scene. Her home was also searched, yet no evidence was recovered from that home. Another home associated with Connor was searched, where several bullet casings were found in a bag behind a refrigerator. Defense attorneys poking hole at that evidence.
You don't know how that bag got there?
No, I don't know.
You don't know that bag inadvertently fell back there, do you?
Well, I mean, it didn't spill out. I mean, it was, you know, it was kind of wrapped up, and so.
The question is, you don't know how that bag got there?
No, I do not.
You know if the bullets that you found were collected, did you know whether they were tested for DNA or not?
I do not. That is at the discretion of the detectives.
Now, the cell phones used during the time of the murder have not been recovered. Neither was the gun, the weapon used in that murder. Live in Uptown, Jesse Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.